Talbot County in eastern Maryland until 10:30 p.m. At 9:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Calvert County, Maryland, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Easton, Talbot, Denton, Federalsburg, Trapp, St. Michael's, Preston, Oxford, Queen Anne, Choptank, Copperville, Harmony, Tanyard, Skipton, Smithville, Anner, Windy Hill, Tilghman Island, Griffin, and Matthews. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This storm has a history of producing wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Offutt County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Lake Mead and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Camp Hill, Colonial Park, Inola, Harrisburg, Hershey, Hummelstown, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, New Cumberland, Stilton, Boiling Springs, Dillsburg, Dover, East Berlin, and High Spire. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 227 to 251, Interstate 81 from mile markers 51 to 63, Interstate 83. The flash flood warning remains in effect until midnight for the District of Columbia, Central Prince George's, southeastern Montgomery, southeastern Fairfax, Arlington counties, the city of Alexandria, and the city of Falls Church. At 9:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. 1 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen, with the heaviest occurring across the southern portion of Alexandria as well as Belhaven, Hybla Valley, and Groveton. The Fairfax County 911 Center has reported that westbound lanes along Bellevue Boulevard have been closed due to high water. The intersection of Richmond Highway and the Fairfax County Parkway was also closed due to high water. Additional rainfall amounts around 1 to 2 inches are possible across the warned area. Creeks and streams will continue to rapidly rise out of their banks. Some locations that may experience flooding include Arlington, College Park, Greenbelt, Falls Church, Bladensburg, Springfield, Galata University, Nationals Park, Quinton, Coral Hills, Largo, National Harbor, FedEx Field, Langley Park, Forestville, Crystal City, RFK Stadium, Fort Washington, Howard University, and McLean. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Interstate 83 from mile markers 30 to 48. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The thunderstorm wind gusts are expected to produce damage. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, east-central Prince George's County in central Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Dunkirk to near Prince Frederick and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Beach, Breezy Point, Prince Frederick, Dunkirk, Churchton, Lower Marlborough, Barstow, Sunderland, Huntingtown, Tracy's Landing, Owings, Mount Harmony, and Dares Beach. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly The severe thunderstorm warning for east central Prince George's County is canceled. The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. for south-central Anne Arundel and north-central Calvert counties. At 9:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from near Chesapeake Beach to near Plum Point, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Beach, Churchton, Tracy's Landing, Owings, and Mount Harmony. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within these storms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Harford County in northern Maryland, until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Fallston to near Bel Air south to near Middle River, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Aberdeen, Bel Air, Perryman, Riverside, Bel Air South, Bel Air North, Fallston, Pleasant Hills, Jarrettsville, Edgewood, Abingdon, Hartford Furnace, Darlington, Chrome Hill, Rocks, Benson, Bynum, Carsons, Scarborough, and Belcombe. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, the Baltimore City in northern Maryland, east central Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, until 12:30 a.m. At 9:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Around 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Additional heavy rain will cause creeks and streams to rapidly rise out of their banks, along with flash flooding in urban areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Baltimore, Bowie, College Park, Greenbelt, Crofton, Severn, Union Square, Elkridge, Guilford, Howard Park, Baltimore Inner Harbor, Back River, Locust Point, Camden Yards, Roland Park, Falstaff, Miller's Island, Fells Point, Pikesville. A tornado warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. for central Anne Arundel County. At 9:50 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over London Town, or near Crofton, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sillery Bay, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Pinehurst, London Town, Lakeshore, Arnold, Parole, Cape Arthur, Riva, Sherwood Forest, Edgewater Beach, Crownsville, Cape St. Clair, Navy Marine Corps Stadium, Edgewater, and Belvedere Heights. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Baltimore County.